Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today is all about the CMF Nothing Watch Pro 2. So this kind of watch, it's really amazing because I really wanted to change my watch since I was using the TicWatch E3 for a while. Not for a while, but for many years, a couple of years I can say. So today we're having it on the house, so let's get started. Whoa, there we go, nice throw. So as you can see guys there, this is our CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. It's such an iconic watch. I really wanted it since the day they dropped it, but my question was so many times, does it support does it support Strava? Because you know me, I'm a cyclist, so sometimes I usually record on my watch direct by using GPS, but overall we're going to be seeing this watch, what's capability, and we're going to unbox it and check it out and connect it and test it. This is my TicWatch E3. I've been using this watch for a while, man. Like, I really love it the way they kept it, but I understand there are a few updates compared to Google Pixel Watch if you have it, but the TicWatch is just something else. It's a good watch having an Android Wear on top of it, which it's really dope thing. So let's get started throughout unboxing this kind of bad boy from CMF and see what's goody inside. So guys, here's our bad boy. As you can see, Watch Pro 2. We're gonna be unboxing it right now and see what's packed inside. As you can see, some over here we're having this kind of stuff which you just have to peel and remove everything inside, as you can see. So yeah, whoa, it's this cable. And yeah, let's see. You're getting your kind of paperwork, so as you can download even the app through the QR code. You're getting a charge over here, which is really nice and amazing, which is magnetic by the way. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, our watch. Really nice, well packed, can't complain, and it's really giving me some amazing kind of vibe throughout this kind of watch. The way they made it, as you can see, looks really amazing. These are your sensors here at the back, and the straps, they're really cool. I like the pattern, the way they keep them, really good aesthetics and some good branding. So it's that time we just turn on this bad boy and see what's happening. Okay, and there we go. So we're gonna be selecting here and we're gonna be pairing our bad boy. Now we're gonna be pairing our watch, and it's gonna be really amazing. And allow this kind of stuff here, confirm. As you can see, our watch is over there and it's gonna be paired. As you can see, we are adding it on our app. So guys, as you can see right now, we're done setting up our watch and it's really cool. To be honest, I like the interface. I like the way they kept it, really nice and flowing. The widgets, the way they kept them, this is just really dope. As you can see over here, you can jump in on the settings side. Damn, feels like Wear OS somehow. Damn, nothing. They just did something incredible over here. You can see you're having watch face settings. You can actually change different type of watch faces. This feels like Android Wear. If you come through the Android Wear, you know what I'm talking about. Feels the same, everything, like notification, the way you drop down the menu. Is this a Wear OS or something? Am I tripping? So we're having this kind of dial and it works perfect. Reminds me of a Mazfit GTR3 Pro from back in the days, which we reviewed it. It was really nice watch. So it has the same kind of vibe through this kind of dial, which you can just try it out and see how it works. Really cool. On top of that, you're having flashlight. As you can see, you can increase and decrease flashlight, and I guess you can change modes if you want something like SOS, and you can just change to red, and you can change to normal orange and yellow depending on the color you want, and you can just tap to increase more color, which is really great throughout the watch, and you can tap it back to jump it. So another kind of stuff, you're having the heart rate monitoring if you want to, and you're having blood and oxygen, you're having activity, you're having stress, you're having cycles. So guys, side by side with the TicWatch E3. Now what did I mean by these guys have a little bit the same thing? As you can see, when I swipe up, it has the same kind of notification kind of vibe, which is good. When I swipe down, it has the same kind of mechanism. I understand this is nothing kind of vibe of OS, and this one it's Wear OS, so it's a little bit different, but they're a little bit sharing something. which is really cool, because if you come throughout the Wear OS, throughout the TicWatch or Google Watch, you can have better experience, the same as on the Nothing watch, which is cool. I like it. Even the body wise, this kind of TicWatch E3, you can see the body wise is a little bit fat, and this one it's a little bit thinner compared to the TicWatch E3. So I think TicWatch could just relay throughout the TicWatch E4 form factor on this Nothing. It will be really impressive. I feel like this is supposed to be the TicWatch E4 and this is supposed to be the TicWatch E3. But anyways, this is just a CMF Nothing Watch 2 Pro, which is really cool. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about its kind of flows. So yeah, before I've tested the sleep mode, whereby you just wear the watch for the whole night, I can lie, it's really nice. The watch does not feel heavy at all, feels really light. By far I can say this watch you can sleep with it, but sometimes you might be feeling, damn, why do I need to sleep with the watch? Because it has a sleep feature tracking, which you can track your sleeps, which is really dope. I really liked it because the way it's tracking. And not only that, bro, this kind of watch feels very light on the hand. So that's just a quick update. Let's talk about the specification of CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Well, it comes with a display of 1.32-inch AMOLED display, which is really nice, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. On the build quality, it has a lightweight aluminum alloy body with an IP68 water and dust resistance. On the fitness tracking, it has 120 sports modes, heart rate, SpO2, sleep and menstrual tracking. On the battery life, it lasts for up to 11 days typical use and 45 days in power saving mode. Talking about connectivity, well, it has a Bluetooth version 5.3 and it supports GPS and GLONASS and other features throughout connectivity. On the smart features, it has a Bluetooth call, message notification, music control, and more. Price-wise, I can say it's really affordable. It does not break any bank account if you're looking forward throughout getting a much enhanced smartwatch. Speaking about the interface, it's really nice and intuitive. I really like it. On the workout side or exercise, you can see the GPS where you're at. You can even check out some few kind of watch faces, and if you enhance, you get a lot of dial gallery of plenty of watch faces over here. Guys, connecting it throughout Strava, it's quite easy. Just go to the settings side of your phone, just tap on third party, and you can see Strava and sync with Google Health Connect. Just tap on Strava, it will open up your browser, and you have to connect throughout your Strava account and authorize, which is really cool. I can say throughout this kind of bad boy. So that's a really dope feature. I really wanted it for a while throughout this kind of watch, and actually they added it because I talked about it so many times on even the social media and tell them, you guys, you need to add Strava so as a lot of people can, you know, use the watch. So yeah, so guys, by far the Nothing Watch 2 Pro, it's really amazing kind of watch. If you're looking throughout buying a watch which does not break your bank account, well, this kind of watch, it's really worth it because of its own kind of features and what it offers best, which I like about it. Throughout this kind of watch, it's looking really amazing throughout the material wise and even the build quality. I'm not bragging about it, but I'll be honest with you guys, this is watch, it's really standing out. I wish TicWatch could look forward throughout building their other upcoming watches throughout a little bit of copying the homework of Nothing. It will feel really cool because it will be running Wear OS, but this one feels like you're running Wear OS. Come on, Nothing. You could slap it with Wear OS, it would be much better, but I understand because it uses the kind of Wear Nothing OS, so it doesn't need Wear OS by far, unless Wear Nothing OS does not offer a lot of features, but so far we can't complain throughout this kind of watch because of its own kind of budget range and what it offers mostly. So this is a really nice watch if you're looking forward throughout buying it. It's worth it to check it out, to be honest. Budget wise, affordable, you can get it even on AliExpress if you want to, and it's really amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Nothing watch, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.